Hey all, Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com, and put a blog out a couple of days ago, and we was discussing about how I think the big snowstorm is looming, the one I've been talking about for quite a while. Probably within the next 2 weeks, I'm thinking the big one is looming, where we have this just tremendous ridge in the west. I'm going to show you some temperature anomalies right now. It's just going to blow your mind. Temperature anomalies in the west, a big ridge up here. We'll show you that in the water vapor map, and it's just blowing down in here. And I think when we get this subtropical jet going here, it's that red line, and you're starting to see evidence of that starting to take place, and I'll show you that on the water vapor map as well. Um, Things are going to get very interesting in the east, and storm development, whether it be here on this X or over here on the coast, is likely to come up the coast depending on where the polar vortex sets up here. But the big one's coming in. I have a water vapor map now. I can kind of in time here show you that it's happening. So let's see what happens here. Let's go to the temperature. Well, let's go to the water vapor map first so we can see what's going on. Here's the water vapor map. Hamweather.com. Just a tremendous ridge. Look at this. The clouds are being forced off to the north-northwest, up and over the top, and then down. And look where it traced this down. It's heading right toward the Gulf, and then up. This pattern keeps up much longer, and you get these cold shots coming down. The chances of a significant East Coast snowstorm is increasing by the day, by the week here. And I can tell you right now, we're going to get a big snowstorm here before any of this kind of pattern breaks down. I mean, this is a ridge. Look at this ridge. This ridge axis is poking off to the northwest toward the Gulf of Alaska, and now you have the subtropical jet getting there trained. Here's that low pressure moving off this way. Actually, some rain trying to push up into southern Arizona and southern California at this time. And here's our clipper for tomorrow coming down way off to the north. Get some snow showers, maybe 1 or 2 inches in our area, if at best, tomorrow. But the bottom line is reinforcing cold is coming down. It's in the 50s out here in western Canada. But let's go to those temperature anomalies, because the temperature anomalies is what's going to get this big one to come. And the temperature gradients, along with this tremendous ridge that keeps on showing up, it's just a matter of time, folks, until we see a major East Coast Miller A type storm. I'm not talking Miller B, I'm talking Miller A here, which is the big ones. The big ones. Alright, let's take a look at the temperatures now. Just amazing, folks. It's 32 degrees right now down here in New Orleans. 32 degrees, 28 on the Gulf Coast of Louisiana here. Wow, meanwhile, look at this. 30 degrees right now in Minneapolis. Amazing. 57, almost 60 degrees out here in the Midwest. Amazing. You know, go to Alaska. I mean, this is just incredible. 50 degrees now, just southwest of Anchorage. It was 45 today. It's cooling off now in Fairbanks. Well, the northwest slope, 36 degrees. It is colder right now in New Orleans, Louisiana than it is on the northwest side of Alaska. Just amazing, 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 amazing temperatures right now. All thanks to this tremendous ridge, cold air coming down. So it's just a matter of time. This is a must-see video here. Get ready. Next 2 weeks, look out. This is Wild Weather for liveweatherblogs.com.